Hey guys, 82nd DL1 here, also known as D3 Roach. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this quick thing really quick. This is my server's database, the PH or the MySQL stuff, and currently this is my player profile. Now, something I want to go ahead and show you here is the AA12 shotgun is not currently in the game, but sometimes you'll find ammo for it in the crates. Like the ammo will spawn in for it, but not the actual weapon itself. So as you see right here, I've got the AA12 shotgun, well AA12 PMC, but as you see here now it's not showing up when I try to edit it, but here it does. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Now as you see here, I'm going to go ahead and copy this and put that in here. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and go in game, and I will go ahead and show you what this looks like from in-game. Alright, so here we are in-game. Gonna go ahead and click OK. Skip the little error thing that we don't really need to worry about. It's just one of our add-ons. It's nothing to worry about, honestly, at all. We've got base building. We've got the base building is what requires those animations, and I don't know, something with the file seems to not want to let those go through. Alright, so if you notice here, yes, we do currently have a bunch of ammo or weapons crates here. These weapons crates were added in through the mission editor, so they will respawn back here every time the server restarts. They will be removed later on through the mission editor again. These were here for testing purposes. Jeez, holy crap, I don't know what that frame rate issue was. Anyways, these weapon crates are currently here from the mission editor. We have them here at our base to get familiarized with these weapons and try to introduce the players to the weapons. Because, you know, we have these crates spread out all over the map, but the ones only here at our base will be removed later on, as I just said. So, if you notice here in the, I believe this is the one right here. No, TK basic, this one right here. So if you notice here in the PMC basic weapons, it has AA12 shotgun ammo. Again, the AA12 is not in the game currently. But for server owners, I figured out there is a... Oh wait, frame rate dropped again. So for server, as you saw, it has AA12 ammo, but the AA12 shotgun is currently not in game. I mean, the files are in game, the gun itself is not in game, especially in the yard map. It is in the vault, however. So, as you see here, I am holding a pistol. I believe this is the, yeah, exactly, the M1911 pistol. And as you see here in my current inventory, I've got the M4A3 CTO, the default. This is all default spawn here. You can spawn with this no matter what. Every time you die on server, even new players will spawn with it. So as you saw, I currently have the default loadout. So I'm going to go ahead and exit back to Camtasia and show you my desktop recording of this, and I will be back in game here in a bit after showing you this next part. Okay, so we are back on... Okay, so we are back on the desktop. We're back recording. I'm gonna have to edit the part in for this video I just recorded with Fraps. I'm using two different recorders here, mainly because Fraps can't do desktop anymore. So let me go ahead and go back to our database. Now, the weapon code for the AA12, as you probably saw, was just this code right here. Oops. let's see, what was it? AA12 underscore PMC. That's it right there. So, as you notice, again, the AA12 is not normally in the game, but this is a glitch I've saved to notice. I just randomly found this. So, as you notice, I'm giving myself the AA12 PMC here. We'll go ahead and click to the side, and the row is now affected in the database. So yeah, it spawns there. So I'm going to go ahead and pause Camtasia again, go back into Arma 2, and finish this little bit to show you guys. Okay, so we are back in Arma 2. Now before I open my gear, I'm going to go ahead and click import, continue. Oops, hang on there. Alright, and we're loading back. The reason why it's taken so long on requesting authentication is because I edited the SQL to change my loadout. This takes time, so. Alright, now we see we're back in game. But if you notice, I don't have my M4. However, when I push the S key, grenade, smoke grenade, boom, AA12 shotgun. You'll notice it has semi and full auto capabilities. So we'll go ahead and open the weapons crate up, assuming. Or I gotta walk away and all that first, considering I just logged in, so it won't give me the option to. Right, there we go. So we'll go ahead back here to the PMC basic. We'll go ahead and store this ammo in here for now. Now we'll yes, there is AA12 high explosive rounds, but I'm not going to do those. I'm just going to do the pellets just for this show, because there are more pellets than anything, and pellets are lower damage. So if you notice, the ammo count in the top right corner just did go up. And as you see here, I can do full auto or semi. So just for the hell of it, I'm going to do full auto. Now you notice the crosshair, but still notice that I'm not holding an AA12. I'm still holding the M19. But when I shoot, that's right, it shoots the AA12 shotgun rounds. And as you can hear, you hear the AA12 shotgun rounds as well. This is only semi, now I'm switching to full auto. And keep an eye on that top right corner. The rounds go down and it automatically reloads. So if you notice, it automatically reloaded. It's almost like, it almost seems like you're not running out of rounds, but in fact you are. Now I'm going to switch over to the AT rounds just to show you guys. I'll show you guys with 2 clips here. As you saw, it's only a 20 round clip. So, like I said, we'll go 2 rounds here. This is, we'll go semi just to show you what these rounds look like. It's a small frag grenade. It's decent to kill a vehicle. But it's just ATV way over there. Like, hitting it. There it goes. So, here we go. We'll go full auto. We've got 35 rounds left to fire. I'll go ahead and show you guys this now. There we go. That was 35 rounds of AA12 high explosive. That could definitely cause some devastation, especially with the fact that it automatically reloads without slowing down on fire. Keep in mind, this is just to show server owners like a little bit about the database, what you can and cannot do. I am running a battleye server, but the thing is, with battleye, there's a difference between you spawning in the weapon and the server giving you the weapon. So battleye is currently detecting this as the server is giving me the weapon. It's not remote execution because it's not seeing my client running these scripts, and since I don't hack and I'm recording this just to show you guys, you know, I thought I'd go ahead and show you. Obviously, this kind of stuff is not to be abused. Again, this is just for educational purposes only. Another thing, if you notice here, we grab an FN file here. You can go switch to it. Now, if you notice, this works the same. Again, you have the FN file, but when I push F, you'll notice I still have the high explosive rounds and stuff set for the AA12. So I could actually get rid of, let's say, painkillers and my water bottle, and I could switch over and grab a couple slug rounds here. Actually, no, I'll go back to the pellets again. So we'll go ahead and grab a couple pellet rounds, and you'll notice I'm still holding the FAL. Now, this differs from the weapon. As you see here, I can't obviously aim in with the FAL sights, but it does look like a FAL that shoots shotgun rounds. You can do this with any gun, honestly. It doesn't matter what gun you're holding, either way, it's going to look like a hacked weapon. I could go this round, or I could go this gun, for example, PKM. Again, same effect. I switch over to the AA12 pellets, and you notice that the smoke itself, you know, it's really trippy to the other players out there. So again, this is not something you want to abuse. It's just for educational purposes only. I recommend not doing this, honestly, because, again, as I said, I'm running a battleye server, but I'm not sure if battleye will ban for this kind of stuff. I mean, obviously I found a loophole in the system, so I don't think they would, I could ban, possibly, but it's still unknown at this point in time. We'll find out later on. But thank you for watching. See you guys in the next episode, and have a good one.